about $4,000 worth of lenses right here. And what are they? Well, I got a Canon and I got a Sony. And what's the difference? The Canon is a 70-200 2.8, which it is really, really good, while the Sony here is a 70-200 f4. So what's the difference? Well, the Canon is an RF 70-200mm, so it's a telezoom, which is really, really good. Thing is that it works at a 2.8 aperture, which means it works better in, scarce lighting, in not so good lighting, also going towards the evening, but of course it works absolutely amazing every time. And this is the Series L. This is the professional Series L from Canon, which you can see from the red circle on the top, and it fits Canon cameras, of course. And here we have the Sony. This is the 70-200 f4. And one thing that you notice is, yes, the price difference, because the 2.8, it is, of course, more expensive than a 4. It is also the size difference. It's a bit smaller, this one, because it is a 4. But the 4, what is it for? Well, it is the same length of 70-200mm, just like the Canon. But with the 4, it works better if there is natural or artificial light. So when you go towards the evening with less light, then this one starts to work a bit less. Instead, then you would go with the Canon. And yes, for all of those writing on the comments, what sort of comparison is this? Well, it is a comparison. Yes, you can find a 2.8 Sony instead of a 4 that I have here. The same way you can find a 4 Canon instead of a 2.8 that I have right here. So at the end of the day, it matters whether you shoot with a lot of light or low light. In my opinion, I would recommend a 2.8 nonetheless. So I would say that the Canon win. Why? Because with a 2.8, you can shoot way more. You can feel the price difference. You can feel the size difference as well. But overall, which one do you like the most and which one would you use, or do you already use, or which one do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments.